Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be my first video completely, entirely in 4K. So I hope it will be okay. I'm going to try to go up there. We can see here, it's the castle in front, we can see here caves under the rock with its door and so on. Caves, and another cave, another cave. Yeah, and this one is used has dogs inside. Yeah. Another one here. All around the rock there are things like that. You see, there's the rock on top, and this is the low part, but in the higher part of the rock over there where the castle is, it happens the same. On the side of the town, the street, you can see big galleries below the rock where they work, where they used to use it years ago for keeping wine in a good temperature and so on. Yeah, you see. We have plenty of lavender. This smells gorgeous, and some rosemary here in flower blooming. Very good. It's my first time ever taking this way up to the hill. Those of you living up there in Utah and Arizona, you may find this very similar, don't you? About the colors, I mean, and also about the land shape. Over there is a panoramic spot, panoramic site, view site, where I will go later on. I will try to go. I think it's closed, but I'd like to go on top of this. This is a castle from the time when the Muslims were ruling this area. So a long time ago, over 1,000 years of age for this castle. So they just repaired it not long ago, just a few months ago. It was finished of the reparations, rebuilding it, and but I think it only opens on Saturdays for a couple of hours in the afternoon, and but today is Friday, I guess, so it will be closed up. But anyway, here we are. Let's see what we can get. It's very windy here because we are in one of the highest points in the area, so that's why it's very windy. I want to go on top of this part here, this panoramic viewpoint. Here we are on top. The panoramic view is what this is, and behind this hill is actually where I live, just behind that hill in front of us, about 10 kilometers far from here. So I'm at home, and many people from the area have never been here, right here, because some people don't care about these things, but I love this. Look at this, the town is down. This is a very rich town, which the basic industry here, income is shoemaking, boots, expensive, sophisticated, high quality boots, very expensive, but very good, not made in China. All right, and this is the castle, Muslim castle, that, well, from the So I'm going to try to go over there. No, I can see the gate over there. The gate is closed, so I think I cannot go more than the gate. I will try anyway. Here I am, right at the gate of the castle, but it's closed. It says it's mandatory to make to book to make a visit on weekends, and it's only on Saturday and Sunday, as it says here. So anyway, it looks gorgeous. It looks fantastic. Anyway, from here it's a pity that I cannot go in today, but at least as I was in the area I couldn't go away without taking a shot here. The views from here, look at these people, they were not stupid. No joke, they knew very well what they were doing. From here you control everything around. You also have the best view of the area. This is absolutely a fantastic place to be. And today the day is perfect because it's not sunny. Because if sunny, we cannot see those mountains over there in good quality. But this way, yes, we can. So I'm going to try to go to the other side and try to go a bit higher from the other side. All right. Here I am on the other side. I am on the other side. The view on this side is spectacular. However, there is a fence. There is a fence all around the castle, and you can see, I don't know if you can detect this. You see, it's protected by this fence. The castle is over there, and I'm going to go a bit more that way. I'm trying to invade the castle, but it's very well protected. Wow, you have to be careful because feel dizzy here. See, feel very dizzy because it's going many meters deep down. This point here, right where I'm standing, is not a piece of land. Actually, it is a piece of rock. It's a huge rock that we can see from downtown over there. Can see that in some other of my videos. So this is the rock, and on top of the rock they built a castle. Over there we can see a bit of the castle. There, just like a little tower. It's very windy, of course, because we are very high. No protection here on this side. See, beautiful because everything is getting green now because it's springtime. Yeah. So I'm walking in what's supposed to be a prohibited area. Not allowed to walk here, but I just invaded this area. This is another point. The castle's on top of that rock. This is quite scary being here right now because I feel unprotected and a bit dizzy here. I didn't bring the stick to hold the camera. I'm just holding it with my hands. I'm going to try to go from here to get a better shot from here. Look at this. Over there, right below the highest top of the mountain in front of us, there is a hot spring, very good hot spring near a river where people used to go to get baths. You can have baths there for free. Hot spring baths for free. Thermal water, very good, because just like a swimming pool near the river, and the water is fantastic. Sometimes in winter everything is frozen around with snow, and steam comes out of that swimming pool because the water there is, I don't know, maybe 40 degrees or 35 or 50, I don't know exactly, but it's nice and warm. As you see, this big rock ends up in a little point over there. I'm going to try to go there. Be careful, of course. This kind of thing shouldn't be for people on my age already. But I have still a very young soul. That's why I like this kind of vibrations. Look at this, look at the building over there. This is fantastic. Later on, when I finish here, I will go to that stuff that says Roski over there, which is a supermarket anyway, don't say brands, to buy some fresh bread and things like that. Look at the colors, the colorful roofs, colorful roofs, very nice. We have here a very good plant to make honey. This, well, it's called tumilio. It's a thing very good to make tea, and also very good to make to cook. Tumilio in Spanish, I don't know how it is in English, and it smells fantastic, very, very good, and just wild here, as it should be. Here we are. I am feeling quite afraid here because it's very dangerous. This is the top of it, the end of it, and look the roofs over there, right below my head. So that's it. I'm going, I think, to finish this video here, because it's 4K, and 4K is very, very heavy, so I cannot make it very long. And this is it from Arnedo city. This is the castle built up by the Muslims a long time ago, right? So here we are. Thanks to the Arabs, to the Muslims who have having built this such beautiful thing in such a beautiful location, which gives me the opportunity to enjoy it right now, 1,000 years later. Thank you from Arnedo city. Arnedo, A-R-N-E-D-O. That's the name of the town, right in the north of Spain, in one of the best wine regions in Europe. In Spain, obviously. See you. Cheers.